Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube so you can have full access to all content, including videos with comments and those flagged as potentially mature. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Now look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. Next, go to the top right and tap on the gear icon to open your settings. Once you're in settings, tap on the first option that says General. Here you'll find the option for restricted mode. This feature helps hide potentially mature videos. But if you don't want that filter on, simply toggle it off. And that's it. Now you know how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.